We are in Broadcast Show 2025 and we are meeting the people from Pixotope. We are in the XR virtual set, but this is a LED set, right?
Yeah, this
so
is the LED
can you
set.
explain me what Pixotope does here and what is the product that you're displaying?
So we have XR production, which is like, if you talk about XR, it's extended reality. So right now we have an LED which is again very confined to this small space.
Yeah, it is very
But they
small
can-
actually.
So we can, but in the final output or in the live production which you are sending
can
to the
extend
air,
the
we
set.
can extend this set to like infinite possibilities. When you have an LED production, you don't need it. You are extending it the same in a different way.
And what are the new integrations that you have done into this product?
Yeah, so we are, as I said, we are totally based on Unreal. So Unreal has its really big capabilities, and now Unreal has started focusing more on the broadcast side as well. So Unreal Engine is also now bringing motion design also to it. So now earlier they were fully focused on virtual production, but now we also have another tool which is motion design. So we also have our booth here where we are also showcasing motion design.
Pixotope also works with the bigger cameras or the PTZ cameras as well?
We are again not agnostic, so we can we have installations where they have used PTZ cameras, and then we also so we have a company which is Trackman that is acquired by us, which is totally based on tracking. So even Trackman is not only works with Pixotope, it can work with Vizati or any other tools as well.
In case if I need to buy something, probably I'll buy the LED from third party.
Yeah, so we have Unilumin, so that person is Pushpinder, who is from Unilumin. So we have multiple technologies have collaborated and come here for a final thing. But yes, Pixotope, the final production or the final graphics part is all handled by us.
What I would like to appreciate here today is this is a very small set. Probably how many feet? 8 by 8?
This is just 2 meters. Every surface is just 2 meters.
2 meters.
Very small space. Yeah.
Very small. And how long it took for you to set it up?
This is again LED guys. They would have taken like almost 1 day.
Yeah.
The only thing which was stopping them was because so much construction work was going on. They didn't want it to take out because it's really the LEDs are they could
getting
get
a great output there.
Yeah.
And that's
absolutely. So once the LED was set up, we barely took like 3 to 4 hours for the entire thing to be set up. So it's so XR production, because like people have this notion that it's really complicated and it takes days to set up, but that's not. We are kind of trying to change that notion.
For 3 days you have done this and this is working great.
Absolutely, yeah.
And how long Pixotope in the market?
Pixotope has been in the market since 2017, and then so they are a Norway-based company. So earlier their main focus or main clients surrounded around Europe, but now it's expanding. So now we have installations in Thailand. We have so many customers in Asia. We have already started operations in India since last 2 years. If you see, we have set like an LED wall which is based on Unilumin, and then we have set our Pixotope XR, which is totally based on Unreal Engine. Our software is like a custom version built on Unreal. So we kind of made it good for broadcasters to work on Unreal Engine as a platform. So you're getting all the benefits of Unreal Engine, like you can get the textures, you can get a really good lighting, you can get all the new features which Unreal is getting, and every time when Unreal brings something, Pixotope of course works on that latest version. Like if Unreal is releasing right now, within 2 weeks you will have a new version of Pixotope which is based on the latest Unreal engine, and then you will get most of the benefits which is there. And then you can bring that to broadcast because you are bringing in the camera, you are bringing in all the tools which will enable you to use it for your live production or for recorded broadcast as well. So right now you can see we are showcasing like a huge set which is extending beyond this XR LED. So I'll just start from here. You can see this is our XR engine. So we have 2 machines which is driving this whole thing, and then we have another machine which is for tracking. So our tracking is working with this vision sensor which is over here, or we have built our vision sensor here. So this sensor is reading the points of this roof which is also here, and then it can take any other points where it's getting a good contrast. So then this sensor is reading all this data, and this is what the sensor is reading, and then you are able to see that through these points it's able to understand what position the camera is right now, and then give us the tracking information. And with that information we are able to drive this whole XR. So now you can see this is like, so beyond this LED which is Unilumin, we are extending the XR like this, and if I just, so you can see we are right now only seeing the XR Studio here, but then once we turn the AR on, it's extending it to a bigger environment. So this is the main benefit of XR, of course. So to talk about technology, we have different ways of putting certain things towards the LED wall so that our system, our sensor as well as the camera is giving us the data, and we are able to match this together because we want it to be seamless. We don't want any delay between tracking. We don't want any delay between when we are sending a command to XR. Both the AR and the XR engine should be receiving it together, and both should be in sync always. So we have different sets to do it. We have another pattern which you can see. So this is a pattern which our system knows what is the difference between each and every panel, how much is the difference between these points. So that will enable the system to understand each and every data, and that lets us build the XR Studio really fast. Like we don't always have a control of the entire environment. So right now, if the light is too low and it's not able to see the markers, so we have IR LEDs in the sensor which is able to, if we turn it on, it'll be able to see the reflective markers. So even in a low light condition, the sensor will be able to always give us a good tracking data. So same goes with this vision sensor, so it's able to read that, and then this data is going to a small machine here. So this is a machine on its own. This is a system which is running Linux, and all the data is collated here and is just sending the data to our tracking engine. So this is a very this is all the hardware which we have for the entire tracking part.
Runs on a yearly subscription or something like that?
Yeah. We have both subscription model and perpetual as well.
Oh, you have perpetual as well.
Yes.
Okay. Thanks a lot for the great information.
No worries, and thank you for talking to us.
Thank you.
I was able to speak. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, brother. Thank you.